Hello everyone. So now let's learn about PhiData Agentic UI. So this is a new concept in PhiData where PhiData provides a playground uh, where you can play with the models and a couple of agents deployed over there, and a way you can integrate your agent which is running somewhere, and you can interact with that agent. So you don't need to write a UI separate. And this is the one of the beautiful feature of PhiData, and it makes a lot of uh, easy next to our data science or whoever data engineers or ML engineers, Gen AI engineers who are working in agentic AI systems, and they should be able to test it before making it a production grade. So if some team is responsible for building just agents, they should be able to quickly run and test it out without working on any UI. So how it works, let's see. So for that, first of all, we have to log in into PhiData, right? So to log in into PhiData, here you can see we have option either we can log in through GitHub or Google. I will try to go with the Google. So now I'm able to log into PhiData. So here you can see this is the dashboard. These are the uh, different dashboard sections. We can see sections here. We can see playground. So here you will see this playground where it's provide a chat interface, workflow interface. This is the two interface where what you can do, you can from here you can select endpoint from your local or demo agents. There will be a demo agents. So if you would like to interact with demo agents, once you'll select that option, it will give web search agents. So here we are having web search agents, research agent, and finance agent, and YouTube agents, right? So these are the agents already been given. So we will try. And which model? So by default, it's using OpenAI GPT 4.0. So let's see, and we would like to interact with that, right? So right. So here, just we are going to say that, tell me about yourself, right? So see, here it is able to say, hey, I'm web search agent and designed to assist you by searching the web information, right? Similarly, if you will switch to another research agent, it will be, so these are the few prompt template, just you can uh, click over there and it will go and ask. For example, YouTube agents, if we'll go for YouTube agents, if you are asking, tell me about yourself, let's see. It's saying I'm a YouTube agent and designated to help you to understand and explore YouTube video. I can provide information about video content and all that, right? A- And so this is how you are able to interact here, right? So similarly, if you would like to test your agent, how you would be able to do that? Now we will learn that. So to start with that, first of all, we will develop a multi-agent code, right? So in previous session, we developed uh, uh, agents, right? Two agents, specifically web agents and Yahoo Finance agents. So we will take these two agents as example. Then we will invoke Playground and agents we are binding. These are the two agents and get app. So it will give the app here and here this is the class. Just we are saying that serve Playground app and we are passing that Playground app and we are saying that this is reload equal to true, right? So this is the just you have to ensure your entry point should be a playground, right? So you have to create your file, Python file with this playground name. So it takes the file name and treat as a class and it's get span up as a app. Okay, so this class will get bind with app and this is how it will launch your app in this playground UI, right? So before that, calling it or hooking it up, let's try to build our agent. So we have switched back to our code. We are going to create a new file, which is nothing but playground app. So playground app.py. And in this, we will have that code, which will have two agents. So we are going to have two agents, web agents and finance agents, right? We have already built this. Let me first of all clear here so that we'll get a space, right? So in this, we have Yahoo Finance hooked it up and we have DuckDuckGo web search, right? And if you are seeing, we are having standard import with PhiData up to here. But here we have imported Playground and Serve Playground app. So these are the two new things we have to add in our application or program, which will be have or will be able to hook into PhiData Playground. And this is the another code where we are saying Playground agent. We are giving finance agent and web agents, and we are getting app out of it. Now we are serving that app, and to serve playground app, we are giving this playground with nothing but the same class file which we will be deploying and reload equal to true. So let's save it and to run or invoke this, what we have to do. So first of all, it has to go and get deploy into or how or we have to make it available into PhiData UI, right? Okay. So to run this application in local and also to integrate this with PhiData, we have to do couple of things. First of all, this local app need to authenticate with PhiData. which is PhiData Playground. So to interact with that, what we need to do, either we have to invoke the command, auth command, or we need to have a key, API key, through which it will go and interact. So here either we can have this PhiAuth, which will pop up, and I can authenticate myself or my account, and it will get bind with that PhiData Playground, which has been available in PhiData portal, right? Or I can get the API key, and then I can load that API key in my local environment. Uh, and with this construct, what it will do, it will leverage that API key, and it should be able to connect with Playground. So I will go with the PhiData API key. So let's switch to PhiData portal. So now we are in PhiData Playground, and I have logged in as I showed earlier. Here you can see this is the API key, right? Once you will click, you will get it. Either you can refresh it. So if you would like to see, you can see here, just you can copy, and after copying it, you have to go to your Visual Studio Code and export it, or you have to import into your environment. So let's go over there. So we are in Visual Studio Code, and if we would like to add that key, we will go and we will make that entry here, right? So this is a PhiData key, and I need to have that key name. So this key name will be Phi API key, and I would like to load it, right? So to load it, we have did multiple codes earlier, right? So to load, we have to import these, and right. So we will import this os dot environment, and it will load all the environment. And what I'm going to get it, I'm going to say that, hey, maintain this local variable for this key. So API key, I will replace it here, and here I will say that it will become my local environment variable, right? And with this, I should be, my internal call would be able to leverage this API key, correct? Now we are good with environment variable. So another thing is we have this playground and surf playground app. So we have import this. So related with this packages, we have to install those, right? So, and this guy uses PhiData internally, right? So what we can do, we can have two fast APIs. Um, it should have a fast API as a requirement. So we can have this two guy installed with us, fast API. So dependency for our agent, is this guy as well. SQL Alchemy. So let's first install those. Pip install -r requirement.txt. Let's see. Let's wait. Let it get installed. Okay, so now you can see all those dependency has been installed. And after that, I have to run my app Python playground. So this guy has to invoke playground app if everything is satisfied. Okay, so it says it has invoked this app, right? So let's click on this. Browse it out. Not reachable. Okay, we'll see that. So finally, we are getting this error loading ASGI app could not import module playground. It seems like playground module is not able to load it. So let me do one thing. Let me run the command directly here. So I'm going to do pip install fast API SQL, this one. And after that, what I will do, I will try to install this playground as well. PhiData we have already imported, so it should be having everything into it, but we will try again. Let's see. So team, just I did one change. I noticed that whatever playground we are giving, that was not the same file name. So I did this change, whatever name it is, playground app. I mentioned playground app here, and let me run it again and see. We have to quit this here. Seems like it's not working. So I'm switching to new environment. I created a new terminal and I'm switching to my environment, my env scripts activate, and here let me launch Python playground.py. Let's wait for it. It should launch now. Okay, so it's saying it has launched. Application startup complete now. So now it is able to start application. Okay, so now we will go to Phi data portal and from there we will try to uh, connect this local instance. So how it is saying? It's saying that I should be browsing this, and with this I should be able to connect. So the way the URL work, right? Endpoint, and with this, if I am logging into Phi data portal, it will select this local host and it will start interacting with this agent which is deployed in my local. So let's switch back there and let's see. So we are here. Let's browse that link here. It is not. We have to copy that. We'll say open, and then I will copy and I will go here and paste it. So now it's got authenticated, it's loaded, and it's a localhost 777. Now it is saying that it's able to connect. Here you can see that green signal, and there is no message, right? So if you could see here, you can see this localhost is getting available when I'm selecting. It is able to connect and agents. So I am having two agents, right? Finance agent and web agent. So with which agent I would like to interact, I will just select it, and OpenAI GPT 4.0 here already there. And I will tell which tool do you have access to. See, it is saying that I have following tool related to stock market. So it has Yahoo stock market tools integrated with it. Now, if I will go to the web agent, right, and if I will ask which tool do you have, so it's saying that function DuckDuckGo search and all those. So it has DuckDuckGo tool binded with itself. So this is how we should be able to interact with our PhiData local agents running in a local or any other places, and we should be able to test it out in the playground. How cool is it? Isn't it? So with this, we have completed PhiData UI and integration with local instance of agents and playground test. And we will see another example in further sessions.